Tada doesn't pay you for random clicks or surveys. It only gives cashback when you shop through its partnered stores or activated offers inside the app. By the end, you'll know how Tada actually generates cashback, how users earn through it, and whether it's a legit savings tool or just another app that sounds better than it performs. Tada works like a cashback marketplace. You browse offers inside the app, select a deal from a partner store, and then complete your purchase through the tracked link or connected method. Once the purchase is confirmed, cashback is added to your account balance. That tracking step is the most important part. If the purchase doesn't go through the app system or linked offer, it won't register, and you won't get anything back. That's where most users get confused and think cashback apps don't pay, when in reality the tracking step was skipped. The next thing to understand is where the cashback comes from. It's funded by affiliate partnerships between Tada and retailers. Stores pay Tada for bringing customers in, and Tada shares a portion of that commission with you as cashback. That also explains why cashback rates change often. Stores adjust promotions based on demand, marketing budgets, and competition with other cashback platforms. So what you see today might not be available tomorrow. When it comes to withdrawals, Tada usually accumulates your cashback in an in-app balance before you can cash out. Depending on your region, payout options may include bank transfer or digital wallets. The key point is that you need to reach the app's minimum payout threshold before withdrawing anything. There are also limitations that matter in real use. Not every store is available, and not every purchase qualifies. Everyday shopping items might not always trigger cashback, depending on the current offers active in your account. So is Tada legit? Yes. It functions as a real cashback platform, and users do receive payouts when tracking is done correctly. The bigger question is usefulness. It works best when you already plan to shop through partner stores, not when you're trying to force extra spending for rewards. To sum it up, Tada is real cashback tied to tracked purchases. It only works through partner offers. And it's useful as a savings tool, not as a way to earn income. If you want more honest breakdowns of cashback and reward apps that actually pay, like the video and subscribe.